Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your YouTube videos not playing and they're showing the black screen and your problem not getting and you guys getting that problem in your iPhone, maybe iPad during using the YouTube. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix that. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And also just go to scroll it down and just go to the transfer, reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go to the VPN and just disconnect VPN from here and just go to the storage section of your iPhone and you see that YouTube is not getting much MB from my storage of the iPhone. So in your section, if you YouTube getting too much storage, simply just tap on that and then delete the app from that section and then again go to the app store and just again download the YouTube app from here. So that's it the video. You must follow the steps to fix your issue. So that's the video. Make sure you just subscribe our channel and getting the new videos daily and just getting the solution of all the problems you're facing on that iOS, maybe iPhone, maybe iPad. So you're just getting the solutions on the daily basis. So that's the video. Make sure you just subscribe our channel and just press the bell icon for the notification.